Hi, I'm Caleb Horst with CellScale Biomaterials Testing. Today I wanted to introduce you to a new product, the MechanoCulture J1. This is a product used to do mechanical stimulation on tissue constructs, particularly tendons or other structural tissues. And what it does is essentially has 6 actuators, each of which is independently controlled and each has its own load cell. So you're able to do 6 separate specimens with protocols and measure, both stimulate the tissue constructs and also measure the stiffness and strength of these constructs through time while the system is running inside of an incubator and those tissues are living and growing and changing. What I've done so far is I've set up the first 3 actuators ahead of time. I'm going to run through setting up the other 3 actuators so you can see what that process is, and you'll see how the whole system works from start to finish. To start with, I'm going to assemble the system, and I have here the grips that are used to hold the specimens. They're spring-loaded grips in order to get a consistent clamping force on biological specimens. I will thread on the upper 3 grips first. Okay, so I've attached the upper 3 grips, and now I'll attach the lower 3 grips. They attach into the inside of the chamber. There we have the next 3 grips attached. The next step is to put the chamber onto the device. Okay, so you can see all 3 pairs of grips are now positioned, and we're ready to load the specimens into the system. Close out the system so that I can fill it with fluid. Now I'm going to place the cover plate on top and fix it. There, the system's fully assembled. The next step, I'm going to flip the system over to its operating orientation. And now I can fill the chambers with media for the cell culture. I'll do that next. I've got some colored water to use for today. This is the setup for the system with the large clamps where each of the chambers hold about 150 milliliters of fluid. We do have some other options. You can see on our website more information about different chamber sizes and available clamping forces and things like that. Mounted and the specimens loaded and the system filled with media. I'm ready to start the test. I've pre-programmed the protocol earlier into this machine using the software that comes with the system. So right now it's all ready to go, and I'll push the button to start the process. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to MechanoCulture J1. If you have any questions or would like to talk more about how this could work for your application, please contact CellScale.